Welcome. Today I'll guide you through the process of making your business EBT friendly, opening your doors to 52 million EBT recipients and boosting your sales while establishing your business as a pillar in your community. To qualify as an EBT retailer, your business must meet either criteria A or criteria B. In criteria A, your store must constantly stock 3 units of 3 different varieties of each of the 5 staple food categories, which are meat, fruits, vegetables, dairy, and grains. Let's take the meat category as an example. You must have 3 distinct types of meat, such as canned tuna, chicken breast, and lunch meat, with at least 3 units stocked at all times. For a bit of variety, make sure they're different. Having apples, applesauce, and apple juice doesn't quite count as 3 unique fruit options. Alternatively, criteria B applies if over 50% of your business revenue comes from staple foods. This often suits specialty stores, such as seafood markets that primarily sell fresh raw seafood. Qualifications may vary by state, so contact our EBT specialist to see if your business qualifies. They'll guide you through the application process, ensuring simplicity and efficiency. Even after approval, you'll still need a point-of-sale system that supports EBT transactions. While the USDA used to provide these for free, you'll now need a compatible system. The most popular choice by far is the Clover point-of-sale device, which our technicians will program to accept EBT, debit, and credit transactions. This device will be shipped to you with free next-day shipping. Once received, our technicians will ensure you're all set up to accept EBT cash immediately. To become an EBT retailer, simply send us the necessary documents and our EBT specialist will work directly with the USDA for approval within 6 to 8 weeks. Following submissions, the USDA will conduct a site inspection to confirm your business meets all required standards. Upon approval, you will be provided with an FNS number and your business will be ready to accept EBT cards. It's a straightforward process and we're here to support you every step of the way.
Believe in small business.
Contact us at 888-902-6227 or at www.getvms.com.